Pumpkin seeds, often discarded as we carve our Halloween pumpkins, are nutritional powerhouses. Don't toss them aside. These little seeds offer a wide array of health benefits. Incorporating them into your daily diet is like giving your body a daily dose of natural goodness. From boosting heart health to strengthening your immune system, pumpkin seeds are a versatile and delicious addition to any meal plan. For centuries, pumpkin seeds have been recognized for their medicinal properties. Traditional medicine practices have used them to treat various ailments. Modern science is now catching up, with numerous studies confirming the health benefits of these incredible seeds. Let's delve deeper into the nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds and uncover the remarkable ways they can enhance our well-being. Pumpkin seeds are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that our bodies crave. Just a small serving provides a significant portion of our daily requirements for several key nutrients. These include magnesium, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Zinc is vital for immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. The abundance of magnesium in pumpkin seeds makes them a heart-healthy snack. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. Omega-3 fatty acids, also present in pumpkin seeds, contribute to cardiovascular health by lowering triglyceride levels and reducing the risk of blood clots. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can lead to a decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of heart disease. The combination of magnesium, omega-3s, and other heart-healthy nutrients in pumpkin seeds makes them a valuable ally in maintaining cardiovascular well-being. Section 4. Immunity boosters, strengthening your defenses with pumpkin seeds. Zinc, a key nutrient found in abundance in pumpkin seeds, is crucial for a robust immune system. Zinc helps our bodies fight off invading bacteria and viruses. It also plays a vital role in wound healing and maintaining the integrity of our skin, our first line of defense against infection. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can help strengthen our immune defenses, making us less susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. This is especially important during the winter months when our immune systems are more vulnerable. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into our diets, we're providing our bodies with the necessary tools to fight off illness and stay healthy year-round. Section 5. Digestive Harmony pumpkin seeds for a happy gut. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to our stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health and well-being. It aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even plays a role in immune function and mental health. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into our diets, we're not only supporting healthy digestion, but also nurturing a thriving gut microbiome, which benefits our entire body. Section 6. Embrace the pumpkin power, making pumpkin seeds a dietary staple. From supporting heart and immune health to promoting digestion, the benefits of incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet are undeniable. Whether you enjoy them roasted as a crunchy snack, sprinkled on salads, or blended into smoothies, there are countless ways to enjoy these nutritional powerhouses. Fun fact: did you know that pumpkin seeds are technically fruits? They are the edible seeds of the pumpkin, which is a fruit itself. So next time you carve a pumpkin, don't discard the seeds. Embrace the pumpkin power and make these tiny but mighty seeds a part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it.